In this video, we're going to talk about the class MUPanel. MUPanel is a class that Mount Union created that is a subclass or extends the JPanel class, which is built in, comes with the Java environment. Usually when we create our projects, we're going to declare our objects here. That means give them a name and say what class they're created from. We will instantiate or construct the objects here, and then we'll use the objects by calling some of their methods. For instance, maybe a draw method if it draws something. But today what we want to do is look at some of the other features inside the MUPanel and that we can change. For instance, the preferred size, dimension 800 by 600. When I run this, if I right-click on the thing in the Files tab and run it, I see this pink window, and it is 800 pixels wide and 600 pixels tall. Close that. And if I change that, I can change it to, for instance, 400 wide and 200 tall. And if that's all I do, and then I rerun it, we can see that now it's much different size, smaller. And for instance, I can put this back and say that's 300, and this is 700, and you can change it to whatever size you think is appropriate for what you're working on, as long as you don't make it too big for the screen. And right under that, we see set name Mount Union Java program. When I run it, that shows up in the title bar of the window at the top. So usually what we will do is change that to say CSC 120 Lab 5 or some such thing, and right below that, set the background color to pink. We'll change it to white, but you can pick other colors as well. We always use capital letters, all caps, for the color names. And run, and you can see it looks a little different. If I take out the dot there and just have color and then type the dot, eventually I'll get a list of the available colors, and I can just scroll down and then click on it or press the enter key and choose my color that way if you want to see the list of all the built-in colors. Okay, that's the end of this video. Now we'd like you to try something just like what we just